Hey everybody, thanks for watching today. My name is Kevin with All Star Medical, and we're going to do an unboxing of Pride Mobility's Go-Go Super Portable. The reason we're doing this is we get a lot of calls from customers asking if they should do any type of delivery option. Should they take it free in a box or should they do white glove delivery? We always usually suggest when you're getting a portable item, something very lightweight, to just order it, take the free shipping. It's going to show up to your resident just like this. It's going to come in a box. It's going to be UPS, FedEx, something like this. Really, the only thing you need to do, have a pair of scissors, cut this one here. All right. I don't even use the scissors for this part because I don't even want to take a chance of cutting anything. I don't want to use a box cutter. I just use my key. Lay this down. Then I just take my key like this, run across. Feel like I need to get a little bit more there. Come around here, and I've opened the unit right here. Okay, so I'll set my keys aside real quick. Got a piece of cardboard on the top, a couple pieces to keep it from moving around. So they do a great job packaging stuff. You'll see right here. Got a little bag. As far as taking the unit out, I've got these cardboard pieces that are kind of wrapped around the wheel. Again, it's all to keep it from moving, but you'll see I'm able to kind of stand it up just like that. I kind of like to take that plastic off as I'm doing this. It's got a handle right here, and I can just lift and sit like that, okay? So if you're traveling with this, it's going to be something you'll probably commonly do, putting it in a trunk of a car or back seat. Inside here, we have a battery, a charger, and I've got the charger box with the charger and everything right here. So I'll set this out to the side. You'll need that just for charging purposes. I always recommend carrying your charger wherever you go with you. This is I believe the back padding on the seat. You'll see this right here. We'll get in this. This is actually the seat cushion and the little back padding. So I'm going to pull this out of the way, and we'll start working on getting everything else set up. So I like to lay it down, and then when I do that, just go through the basic steps. I'm going to undo this yellow lever here. We've actually got a zip tie here. So this is where having the scissors that I had will come in handy, because there's a zip tie that I can reach right around here. And again, you could maybe use box cutters there. I still like using the scissors because it's kind of tight right here. But I just clip that. Don't have to worry about damaging anything. And then I've got the owner's manual with the key in here. Okay, so I got to remember the key sitting right there. And then we're going to sit here and look at everything. Make sure I'm doing all the things right. I lift this yellow lever up, and you'll notice here's your seat, and pretty much we're almost ready to go just by doing this right here. So what we can do, we can take this, because this is Velcroed, and we can set this down. We'll do it right. Do it this way. Set the seat on top. It Velcros in, so you don't have anything to worry about. And then this Velcros as well on here. So we take this, and then that Velcros. Let me readjust that just a little bit. So then you'll see this is what we got going on right here. There's a little sticker here that's just basically going to show you you've got to do a few things when you turn on the chair. So I'm going to take that off. This is where the key goes. So the key is in where the owner's manual is. I'm going to take that key, set this down here, and then I'm going to put this in. I'm going to turn this on. Right now it's not turning on, okay? So what I need to do on the back side here is look at the actual unit here, okay? And see what's going on. In most cases, on this one, and they're doing this on a lot, there's an on-off switch. I click this button right here, And then all I have to do is slide it back in. You notice maybe the lights just turned on right there. I'm going to lock the battery back in place. I could take this tiller and I can adjust this height here. And I can put my charger right here if I choose to. I've got the pouch that goes on the front. And so we'll work on doing that here. Gotta wrap this around. And then, oh, gotta go right. I'm putting this in the wrong place now that I'm thinking about it. This is where the owner's manual comes in play. I think I'll pull out the owner's manual. Again, you're gonna see we can do this pretty quick, but you're ready to go other than the pouch here. And I just need to remember where to put that pouch at. We'll sit here just for a second and figure that out. Hey, we're back after a little technical difficulty. This is apologies on my side, but I didn't hear the part or listen for the part in here. The piece I was missing is this right here, okay? This actually latches on when we go in here. We can set this down right here, just like this, and that snaps on. Then I'm going to take and wrap this below here. And the crazy thing about this is that the bag took me longer to put together than the mobility scooter. Just a simple thing. I just didn't see it in the part. I thought it was a separate part, but it's actually put in the bag. You slide that on there and then add this to it. But, you know, nice thing about this unit is a really lightweight unit. You're able to take this most anywhere you want to. It's got a magnetic charger where you can just put the connector really close to the charger and it just connects automatically with the magnets. And so makes it real user friendly when it comes to charging. You're able to get this from us at All Star Medical. You can go online at allstarmedicalusa.com. If you have questions or would like to order over the phone, feel free to give us a call as well. Our number is 615-730-9438. Appreciate you watching. Please subscribe. We're constantly trying to put videos out that help you stay independent and mobile. And as always, thanks for watching and have a great day.